Okay, let's start test. It's a WordPress website and it's a test website. I'm going to crash the website, which manually make the website go offline. Okay, that's it. The website should be done now. Okay, all good. The website's done, and now what's happened? So this little guy here is a Raspberry Pi, which using created a Python script to query the monitoring system, the PRTG monitoring system, every 6 seconds. If the script detect any website down, then will trigger the relay. Will turn on the relay, and the relay hooked up with a red alert, which means if every website goes down, and they will trigger the alert and give me a visible alert. So the purpose of that is give me make sure we can take action as soon as possible to fix the problem. Okay, the alert has been triggered. That's good. And when we fix the problem, the alert will go off. That's the very simple, very quick demo of the system, the monitoring of the monitoring system. Thank you.